We're going to a boat show here in Key Biscayne. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
And we'll see how it goes.
Show them Key Biscayne.
I just did.
Show them the shore. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. So right now, we're on our way in the shuttles. Like show them. Yeah, so we'll see how long this takes. Right.
Let's give it up. So this is Andrea, and that's Miami.
Looking good. So the toilet is in the same place as the shower. Look.
Dun dun dun.
So I guess
Oh shoot.
it's so
That's your little shower head.
Oh, look how cool you can see like the shimmering on the boats.
This is the bedroom. It's our new home.
2 bathrooms.
2 miniature beds. Super short if you're Kevin Hart size. You got sofas. You can't sit in them though.
Let's go upstairs.
Alright. Some steep steps.
Oh, keep doing what you were doing. So this is another boat. This one's a bit different, but it's actually bigger. What? You thought you were locked in there? Yeah. I could actually stand here and like not hit the top. That's how tall it
You
is.
look so short.
You could not.
I actually fit here.
Oh, your skin butt. You can see that's her feet. That's your head.
Alright, so this looks like a closet. Like it really does. And it's actually 2 bunk beds. It even has a TV. This bottom bunk though is like no. Whoa, this is like the master bedroom.
Yeah, this one's fucking big.
What the
Oh my gosh.
I want this. Is there downstairs? Yeah.
Your master's day. These are like 3 like stay.
Oh, I like the floor.
The floor?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you could buy chairs and tables, you could buy beds. He is making a decoration for this
Ooh,
young
I like
house,
that
so
it's a
it is
rug, to be
true
honest.
artist
It's so
home.
comfy.
Also,
You looking at the storage? Thinking of buying it?
Right here.
What the heck is this? Oh my god, this has like legit rooms. And this is like a big bed. Like it's bigger than my bed. Babe, buy this for me.
What is it?
I love this sink.
Oh yeah, it's a nice sink.
It's like granite.
That's fire extinguisher or something. Babe, chill.
Okay, JK.
It's like pillows and storage. Babe, let's go.
Alright, so we're about to get on this huge Ferris wheel. Right? Let's show them. It's called the Orlando Eye. Kind of like the London Eye, but I guess in Orlando. To be honest, I'm nervous. Are you nervous? No. Like not at all? I'm excited. I'm nervous. So this is really slow, so I'm not going to be filming the whole time, but look, there's this thing here. Oh, it's so you know where to look. Alright, so update. I am shitting my pants now. I love how like I kind of was freaking out, now I'm okay. And you're like, I'm not nervous. And now you're like, oh shit. Lego dance somewhere over there. It's okay, I think it just stopped. And now it's going. Are you okay? that was a bit scary, not gonna lie. My heart is like pounding. Oh look, we're almost at the top. Oops. I'm trying to stay calm. Alright, so we're pretty much at the tippity top. And Anto's kind of not nervous anymore, right? No, I'm over it. Okay. If I die, I die. Oh, this is so dark. He's huge. Like in real life, he was super tall. My man. He looks abnormally large. I feel like I have superpowers. You gotta kick it. I'm here with my bestie. Sing it, girl. Sing. Gonna interview him? Wow, that got intimate really fast. Okay. Uh-huh. That's the guy from Friends? No.
No, How I Met Your Mother.
How I Met Your Mother. You're right. I found my stepdad here. He's so tall, I can't even. Hey, babe. So that's what we got on earlier.
No. I know how it goes. I'm a vlogger.
Oh, that's okay, go.
They're kind of low people's ankles.
It's not.
My word, here it goes.
Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Thank you. So if you did make it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Even if you skipped through, like, at least you looked at something. Your first video kind of like sets the tone for the rest of your channel, because your first video is like your big entrance or whatever. But you know what, I was like, let me not waste any more time, let me just post this. Like, who cares if it's not the most amazing thing? It's just something fun I did over a weekend. Like, whatever, let's do it. I don't want to make this super long, I don't want to bore you guys, so I just kind of want to talk about what I want my channel to be about, what kind of content I want to put. But first, I want to talk about why I started this really quick. Let's rewind. I've actually been thinking of starting a YouTube channel for a long time. 2 years ago, I made my first video ever. I went to New York and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film my trip. So I bought a GoPro and I did like a 15-second video, because back then Instagram only allowed 15 seconds. I mean, I had much more content for myself, but the video itself is only 15 seconds. And I just never thought of putting it on YouTube, even though you can make it as long as you want. The first thing I wanted to do was music covers, because I really like music and I like to sing. And although I don't play an instrument, I had a friend that plays like all the instruments, and we were gonna do a channel, and we just never got around to it because we did a couple videos here and there. It's just they weren't perfect, so we were like, no one's gonna watch this, like this is bad, like, and we just kept doing it over and over, and we just never got around to posting it. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna like leave the music thing aside and just post other things. Like, I have gone on a couple of trips and I really want to take you guys along with me. I did a couple last year with my GoPro, but they weren't all that great. There's no like talking in it, it's just visuals, and I love it as well, but I really want to do things more professionally and post them on YouTube, because most of the things I do I haven't posted. Maybe I'll post those old ones on YouTube eventually. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Not just trip videos, I really want to be like a daily vlogger and do like pranks and challenges and just the day in a life of, like, I'm a college student, so I mean it would be kind of weird to start filming at school, but I don't know, like just have a normal person vlogging about their daily lives, and I think a lot of people can connect to that and relate. I'm just doing this for fun. Like, I hope no one gets like the wrong like thing, because I know that when I first wanted to start, which was 2 years ago, it wasn't that popular like how it is now. Like now I feel like everyone's a vlogger, but I'm definitely gonna try it. Like, I want to do this, it's time. And if it doesn't like work out amazingly, like at least I'll have the memories and like I enjoyed doing it. And yeah, it's like free storage on YouTube, so why not? Just so you guys know, I am going on a trip in March for spring break. Not exactly sure where we're going yet because that's just the way like my boyfriend's family travels, but here are some ideas. It's either gonna be Europe, don't know where in Europe, or it's gonna be Hawaii, which I would love. So yeah, that's just something for you guys to look forward to. I actually decided in 2018 I was gonna start vlogging. That was gonna be like my New Year's resolution. If you haven't noticed, it's like 2 months into 2018. I took really long and I was like, I have to stop procrastinating. So yeah, hopefully you guys continue watching my videos. What do these people say? Like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't know. By the way, I am gonna name my channel Dream Team. So my name is Andrea, that's how you pronounce it, it's in Spanish. But people call me Drea, and I thought it was really cool that, you know, Drea is spelled like in dream. So yeah, it's gonna be the Dream channel, and hopefully we can be the Dream Team. Let me know if that's corny. I don't know. I had to make something creative up. That's what I got. I'll see you next time. Hopefully you tune in to watch my videos. So thank you guys. Have a great day and see you next